The connection between kale and coronary heart disease. New facts about coronary heart disease prevention you deserve to understand. At the moment, when it involves health hazards, heart sickness is rarely just one of the greatest, or not it's on the desirable for both men and ladies. However, right here's the decent news. There may be a whole lot you can do for prevention, despite the fact that heart ailment runs on your family unit. Right here's a look at contemporary analysis that gives some fantastic beginning elements. Even a number of helpings of darkish leafy veggies makes a change. Veggies like kale, chard, and spinach are sometimes highlighted for his or her role in reducing irritation, which is a large aid to your coronary heart. And most effective, a couple of servings a day may also be potent, in accordance with a contemporary look at in the Journal of the American Heart Association. That analysis looked at statistics from over 50,000 men and ladies and found that those that ate foods prosperous in nutrition, such as these leafy vegetables, had a significantly reduced possibility of atherosclerotic heart problems than folks that ate the bottom quantities. Different foods high in the diet include broccoli and avocados. An enchanting factor of the research is that those that ate a good deal more of these foods failed to retain lowering chance, says lead writer Nicola Bondano, PhD, at the Institute for Nutrients Research at Edith Cowan University in Australia. More didn't equal stronger advantages, she notes. That skill having usual servings on a constant foundation turned into extra significant than trying to load up on them. Despite the fact cutting your energy down considerably could result in some weight reduction, it's definitely more suitable to your coronary heart to undertake an extra moderate approach, even with the aid of a couple of hundred calories. According to research in the journal Circulation, people who trimmed about 200 energy off their norm and maintained that volume for 20 weeks, whereas incorporating typical activity into their routines, had major alterations of their aortic stiffness. It's a key measure of your cardiovascular feature, and significant for fighting coronary heart sickness. Participants within the look at who reduce about 600 energy per day definitely failed to see any change, which ability the smaller shift made the bigger have an impact on. Despite the fact Americans are inclined to start considering coronary heart ailment prevention as they become older, which makes sense, seeing that chance additionally increases with time, employing options as a young adult may repay in decades ahead. Right here's a huge illustration. A recent examine in the Journal of the American Coronary Heart Affiliation that looked at how consuming habits affected individuals age 18 to 30 found that adopting a plant-founded food regimen in that age range is linked to a lessened risk of heart problems by center age. That included fruit and veggies, nuts, legumes, and whole grains. As part of that shift, the merits of a plant-based weight loss program can also be heightened with the aid of limiting consumption of meals high in sodium, added sugars, and trans fats, the researchers introduced. Hopefully, this video has given you some insight on just how very important it is to incorporate dark green veggies like kale into your daily eating regimen, in order to keep your heart healthy. Please like this video if you love your veggies and subscribe to the channel for updates. Thanks for watching.